Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. This is Lily. Guess what? I'm back in Auckland. Amazing. I'm very happy to be back home. Absolutely happy to be back home. So we're out at this beautiful park here. What's the name of the park, sweetheart?
Hendon
Park. And do you know that there is a motorway running underneath here?
A tunnel,
Sorry. What did I say?
motorway.
Well, motorway and a tunnel is the same thing.
Two different things.
Anyway, absolutely wonderful to be back. My favourite word I'm using. So, the journey still carries on. My journey here is back in New Zealand with my honey and Bolo and my dad and my sister Carolini and Sophia and all the family, Carolini and the family. So this is us. There's only three of us siblings here. But Stephen, most of his family are also here. So anyway, it's wonderful to be back. I've been in Sydney, living in Parramatta for about nearly 6-7 weeks, just under 2 months. And I'm just so rapt to be back. And we love getting out and about. Today's a still day. It's not too cold, but you know, we still have to keep ourselves warm. So we had a beautiful message on Sunday at Life Church, and Pastor Luke shared about the Word, the living Word. The Word is the Bible. The Bible is the author. The author is God. So all these people, it's amazing though, you know, the insight to it. It's amazing how you go back and grabbing that message just to remind us how amazing that book of life is. So I'm happy to share that with you guys.
That's why it's called the Holy Bible.
The Holy Bible. We are living, what was the saying, sweetheart? God's Word is the living Word. So I'm really absolutely happy to be back home. Where's home for me? Home is where, you know, you feel where you are. So if I was in Perth, it'd be like home as well. So yeah, where all the pets are. But anyway, the Word was amazing. So I was thankful for the worship on Sunday. Wonderful. Do you have anything to share, honey? And I'll turn around.
No,
the camera
this is only your video.
Okay, so that's about it for me right now. Is sharing the Word and how amazing the expansion.
Now you also got to understand the Word is the people who believes, and the Word is us.
Yes. So there was stated in all the people that wrote the Bible, they were all prisoners, murderers, adulterers,
Tax collectors, all sorts of people. And that's what makes it so amazing. But the author, there was only one author, and they were all inspired by God. So anyway, I'm not being religious here, but I just wanted to share that for the week. And I hope that you expand your horizons, because that's another word for us also, yeah, that we've been learning. Expansion. Expand your mind. Anything that you can think of, it's just expansion. It's just, look at it as this way. Our God is a big God, right? He's a big God. So he wants to expand us in our minds, that we try and expand, think outside the box. Okay, sweetheart. Thank you for the video camera. Here we are, we're getting some fresh air, we're getting some exercise. We're in the middle of winter. Isn't that great? Get out and about. Okay, thank you guys for joining me on my YouTube videos. We'll see you again on my next YouTube, so subscribe to my page, and we'll see you next time. This is Lily. Bye for now.